You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American industrialist and philanthropist. In English, in the US, his name is pronounced as Aaron Feuerstein. Aaron Feuerstein. Now, if he was German, it's obviously a name of German, or surname of German origin. His name would be said as Feuerstein. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.